morning. Today we're going to discuss about appointment and scheduling. So the fact about appointment in French is to make an appointment in French, you say prendre un rendez-vous, which means if you're late, you say être en retard. So when you are taking an appointment, it's gonna be je prends un rendez-vous, and when you are running late for the appointment, it's gonna be je suis en retard ou je serai en retard pour notre rendez-vous. So the vocabulary that refer to this topic is un rendez-vous, which is an appointment, reporté, reprogrammé to the schedule, être en retard, which means to be late, horaire, schedule, à l'heure, on time. Apart from that, how do we make an appointment? So we say, je voudrais prendre rendez-vous avec, so I would like to take an appointment with. So let's say you call play with the doctor. So you call a doctor office to book an appointment. So it's gonna be, bonjour docteur, j'espère que vous allez bien. Oui, je vais bien également. Je voudrais prendre rendez-vous avec vous pour. Je voudrais prendre rendez-vous avec vous. So the doctor is gonna confirm the appointment based on his availability. So, est-ce que vous êtes disponible mardi à 10 heures? So, are you available? Are you available on Tuesday at 10 a.m.? Ça va, ça vous convient? So, ça vous convient? Does it suit you? Does it work for you? Okay. Confirm time with a colleague or service provider. Est-ce possible de programmer le rendez-vous? So, is it possible to reschedule the appointment? So, you ask to change a dental appointment time. Okay? So, je suis désolé. Je dois annuler. So, I'm sorry, I have to cancel the appointment. So, this is a polite way to cancel an appointment. C'est la manière la plus polie pour confirmer un rendez-vous, pour annuler plutôt un rendez-vous. So how to reschedule, cancel an appointment? Je dois reporter notre rendez-vous, so I have to postpone our appointment. Est-ce possible de reprogrammer pour demain? Is it possible to reschedule it for tomorrow? Je suis désolé, mais je dois annuler notre rencontre. So I'm sorry, but I have to cancel our meeting. Pourriez-vous me proposer un autre créneau? So could you offer me another slot? À quelle date pouvons-nous le reporter? To which date? To what date can we reschedule it? So the time and expression. So here, il y a des mots. We have some words that I use referring to the time. Okay. So à l'avenir, à temps partiel, après, à la fois, à l'heure, par heure, par année, dans l'après-midi. Okay, so at the same time, on time, year, afternoon, in the future, by time, and after today. Okay, donc nous avons des mots utilisés par rapport des mots utilisés pour exprimer le temps. Donc aujourd'hui réfère to today, demain to tomorrow, after to après, après-demain to day after tomorrow, prochain next, dernier last, premier first. Ok? So aujourd'hui c'est lundi, demain c'est mardi, après c'est dimanche, après-demain c'est mercredi, mercredi prochain c'est le 25, jeudi dernier j'ai vu un film, lundi c'est le premier jour de la semaine. So when you're talking about actuellement, which means currently, aujourd'hui, which means today, après, which means after, aussitôt, as soon as, autrefois, formerly, avant, before, bientôt, soon, brièvement, briefly, d'abord, first, déjà, already, demain, tomorrow, dernièrement, lately, encore, again, still, Enfin, finally, en même temps, at the same time. Ensuite, then, fréquemment, frequently, généralement, generally, usually, habituellement, usually, yeah, yesterday, jamais, never, longtemps, long time, longuement, longuement, at a long length, maintenant, now, quelquefois, sometimes, quotidiennement, daily, précédemment, previously, parfois, sometimes, puis, then, soudain, suddenly, soudain, suddenly, euh, souvent, often, tard, late, toujours, always, tôt, early, tout à coup, all of a sudden, tout de suite, right away, tout le temps, always, and trop, too much, or too many. Donc, à part cela, we have the French time etiquette, okay? So knowing the time of the day, so du matin, which morning, like the time before noon, de l'après-midi is mean time afternoon, after time like from the noon till 6 p.m. Du soir, the time from 6 p.m. to midnight. So la nuit refer to the night, le midi refer to midday or noon, le minuit refer to midnight. So we have the French clock time. So il est 1 heure donnée, so it's 1 a.m. Okay. Il est 2 heures, c'est 2 a.m. Il est 3 heures, it's 3 a.m. Il est 4 heures, it's 4 a.m. Il est 5 heures, it's 5 a.m. Il est 6 heures, it's 6 a.m. Donc, the other helpful phrase you might need when describing the time is gonna be maybe sure, like the day, semaine, week, mois, the month, le mois dernier, the last month, la semaine dernière, last week, yes, soit yesterday evening, aujourd'hui, today, dans un jour, in one day, ago, il y a 2 heures, 2 hours ago, hier, yesterday, avant-hier, before yesterday, demain, tomorrow, après-demain, the day after tomorrow, le lendemain, the day after, and lundi, which means Monday. So we have a cultural tip here. So we don't show up too early to join to a dinner party, but we show up 10 or 15 minutes late. Okay. Why do we do that? Because when you reach there too early, it's gonna be like you are like you're looking after the food. Okay, that's how we French feel. So whenever you have been invited for a dinner, we always go there 10 or 15 minutes late. Okay, that's how it should be, and that's how it's meant politely. So we always confirm appointment by message, email, or phone, and we use fu instead of tu in the formal or professional settings. So being on time is important for works meeting and appointment. So avoid scheduling meeting during lunch hour because French culture really really um, prefer having like when it's lunchtime they don't like to mix work and they prefer the personal life. Okay. So we have a scenario that we'll put at play here where we can make a doctor call appointment. Okay. So bonjour, j'aimerais prendre rendez-vous avec le docteur, s'il vous plaît. Hello, I would like to make an appointment with the doctor, please. And you ask about the availability. So, est-ce que vous êtes disponible jeudi matin à 10 heures? And are you available Thursday morning at 10 a.m.? So it's gonna confirm or suggest another time. Oui, ça me convient. Or non, je préfère à 14 heures. So yes, it does work for me. Or no, I prefer 2 p.m. Okay, that's how we stop today. Hope you all enjoyed the section and see you soon for our next masterclass. Thank you.